For most persons, you could easily go to a makeup store and they hand you a bottle of foundation, you try it on and it's your perfect shade. But for most of us, we might need to blend 2 or 3 shades of foundations to get our perfect color. Whatever the case may be, make sure that the foundation you are choosing matches with your neck also. What I'm saying is that you don't want to apply something on your face and your neck is going to be so dark while your face is too bright. Let's imagine you have 2 separate colors naturally on your face and neck. Your face is bright and your neck is dark. You want to go for a foundation that matches with your neck. Maybe you go for a darker foundation that matches your neck, so that when you blend into your face, everything is going to match. But if you choose to go for the one that matches with just your face, then you have to blend it down to your neck so that your face and your neck are going to be the same color. So that's what you should have in mind when choosing foundations. Whatever you want to match, make sure that you blend it down to your neck, or you choose something that matches with your neck already. So if you want to match foundation, you would put it right at the side of your face. This is my color, but most times I go ahead to mix it with something else. This particular shade is not my color. I like using it to highlight my face. This is way far from my color. I actually use it for my clients. This particular one is not my color. When it oxidizes, when it dries up, you see how very dark it is. So most times you have to wait and see. So this particular last shade too is not my color. So you can see how very dark that one is. It's definitely not my color. This is my color, that first one. Most times I mix it with this last shade right here. It's all up to me. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.